Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today we are comparing Logseq and Obsidian to see which note-taking app is better. This is going to be a focused comparison for knowledge workers and power note takers, evaluating the best choice for network thinking in the coming year. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you have to know is the foundational philosophies, the outliner versus the knowledge base. Logseq has some open source outlining, and Obsidian has some networked knowledge graph. So for Logseq, it is based around an open source and privacy focused, ensuring data control, and it is built around an outliner mindset and block based structure. It uses plain local markdown files for portability, but for Obsidian, it is a powerful local markdown knowledge base. It differentiates itself with an advanced and highly customizable graph view, and it focuses on long term knowledge retention and complex linking. Both apps aim to replace traditional linear note apps like Notion or Evernote by facilitating deep network thinking and enabling the creation of second brains. Now, let's go to the core feature showdown and the comparison. Now, while both leverage bidirectional linking and local files, key differences emerge in user experience, ecosystem, and code structure. So let's look at this tab altogether. Now, first, for the note style, Logseq has an outliner note style, it is block based, and Obsidian has a markdown editor, it is file based. And now for the linking model, Logseq has some bidirectional links and block references, and Obsidian has bidirectional links again, but it has also page links and it is missing block references, as Logseq is block based and not Obsidian. Now for the plugin ecosystem, Logseq has a moderate one. It is focused on the core utility, but for Obsidian, it has a massive plugin ecosystem and diverse community, and you will actually need it more than you think. For the graph view, Logseq has it, and it is utilitarian, and it is also here in Obsidian, and is highly advanced and customizable. For the synchronization options, it is built in a paid service or an encrypt option in Logseq, and it's named Obsidian Sync on Obsidian, and it's also a paid service. For the mobile app, Logseq has a strong offline focus and features parity, and Obsidian has a mature and stable and highly polished mobile app. For the cost, Logseq is free for the core, and there are some optional paid syncs, and it is basically the same for Obsidian, but it has also some more advanced features. Now let's go to the key strengths and limitations. Logseq strength. It is exceptional for daily journaling and integrating task tracking directly into notes. Its native block references and outliner structure facilitates immediate and highly structured capture. And for the limitations, it occasionally reports of minor bugs and slower maintenance of community plugins compared to its rival. The UI can feel less polished on some platforms. Now, for the strengths of Obsidian, it has a unmatched plugin ecosystem, including dedicated tools for AI, Kanban, and advanced data visualization. It is ideal for strict Zettelkasten users and building complex knowledge systems. Now, for the limitations of Obsidian, because of course it has some limitations, the core interface is less intuitive for quick daily task management. It is like a steep learning curve. So, there are some certain advanced features like E2E encrypted sync. They remain locked behind the paid service of Obsidian Sync. So, you have to keep that in mind before starting to work on Obsidian. Now, let's go to the verdict to choose your digital brain. Now, the best choice depends entirely on your primary workflow. Are you an architect of knowledge or a daily structured thinker? Now, choose Logseq if you think naturally in outlines and blocks, and your priority is task oriented workflows and daily notes. Also, you can demand open source privacy and local first control. Now, you can also choose Obsidian if you build large interconnected knowledge systems, or you require maximum flexibility in the huge plugin library, or you prioritize a polished, stable UI for research and writing. For the bottom line, just to end this video, Logseq equals simplicity and structure. It's the digital bullet journal. And Obsidian equals power and customization. It's the second brain architected for scale. So that's it, guys. I hope this guide helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it did, and I'll see you in the next video.